Have you ever found yourself wondering how to make the most of your hard-earned money when saving for retirement? You're not alone. When it comes to saving for retirement, two popular options stand out: the Roth IRA and 401k plans. Both have unique advantages, but which one is the best for you, especially when considering investing $100,000? Let's uncover the key differences between these options and explore which one might be better for you, especially when investing a substantial amount like $100,000. Let's begin with basic understanding. Understanding Roth IRA. A Roth IRA is an individual retirement account that offers tax-free growth and tax-free withdrawals in retirement. Unlike traditional IRAs, contributions to a Roth IRA are made with after-tax dollars, meaning you don't receive an upfront tax deduction for your contributions. However, the main advantage of a Roth IRA is that your money grows tax-free, and you won't owe any taxes on your withdrawals during retirement, as long as certain conditions are met. There are income limits to be eligible to contribute to a Roth IRA. These limits change annually. The annual contribution limit for a Roth IRA is $8,000 as of now in 2025, with an additional $1,000 catch-up contribution allowed for individuals aged 50 or older. So you can withdraw your contributions at any time without penalties. But withdrawing earnings before age 59 and a half and before the account has been open for 5 years may result in taxes and penalties. Also, unlike traditional IRAs, Roth IRAs don't require you to take RMDs during your lifetime, allowing you to continue growing your savings tax-free. A Roth IRA is an excellent choice for individuals who expect to be in a higher tax bracket during retirement or want more flexibility with their retirement savings. Understanding 401k. A 401k is an employer-sponsored retirement savings plan that allows employees to contribute a portion of their pre-tax income to a tax-deferred investment account. This means that your contributions are deducted from your taxable income, reducing your current tax liability. For 2025, employees can contribute up to $24,000 with an additional $6,500 catch-up contribution allowed for those aged 50 and older. Many employers offer matching contributions to 401k plans, typically up to a certain percentage of the employee's salary. This can significantly boost your retirement savings. Most 401k plans offer a variety of investment options, including mutual funds, index funds, and sometimes even company stock. Withdrawals from a traditional 401k plan are taxed as ordinary income in retirement. Early withdrawals before age 59 and a half may be subject to penalties, with a few exceptions. You must begin taking RMDs from your traditional 401k by April 1st of the year following the year you turn 73. A 401k plan can be a valuable tool for saving for retirement, especially when you take advantage of employer matching contributions. Be sure to consider your overall financial situation and retirement goals when deciding how much to contribute to your 401k and how to allocate your investments within the plan. Comparing the two. For Roth IRA, you contribute after-tax dollars, which means there's no upfront tax deduction. However, the money grows tax-free, and you won't pay any taxes on qualified withdrawals in retirement. This makes Roth IRAs ideal for individuals who expect to be in a higher tax bracket during retirement. Contributions to a traditional 401k plan are made with pre-tax dollars, reducing your taxable income in the year you make the contributions. This can lower your current tax bill. However, withdrawals in retirement will be taxed as ordinary income. If you expect your tax rate to be lower during retirement, a traditional 401k may be more advantageous. It's important to note that some employers also offer a Roth 401k option, which combines features of both Roth IRAs and traditional 401ks. Contributions are made with after-tax dollars, but you still have the higher contribution limits and potential employer matching of a 401k. Investment options in a Roth IRA are virtually limitless, as most brokerage firms offer a wide range of assets including stocks, bonds, mutual funds, ETFs, and more. This allows you to create a well-diversified portfolio that aligns with your investment goals and risk tolerance. Investment options in a 401k plan are determined by your employer and the plan provider. While most plans offer a variety of investment choices, including mutual funds and index funds, your options may be more limited compared to a Roth IRA. However, some employers provide access to self-directed brokerage accounts within the 401k plan, offering more investment flexibility. Proper diversification and asset allocation are crucial for both Roth IRAs and 401ks. Consider your risk tolerance, time horizon, and investment objectives when selecting assets within your retirement accounts. Roth IRAs offer greater flexibility in terms of contributions and withdrawals. You can withdraw your contributions at any time, tax-free and penalty-free. For earnings, qualified distributions must meet certain criteria, such as being at least 59.5 years old and having held the account for at least 5 years. However, some exceptions allow for early withdrawals without penalties, such as a first-time home purchase or certain educational expenses. 401k plans have more restrictive rules regarding withdrawals. Early withdrawals before age 59.5 are typically subject to a 10% penalty, in addition to ordinary income taxes. However, there are exceptions for certain situations such as financial hardship or a series of substantially equal periodic payments, SEPP. Some 401k plans also allow for loans, but this is not always recommended, as it can negatively impact your retirement savings. When comparing flexibility and accessibility, Roth IRAs generally offer more freedom for contributions and withdrawals. However, it's essential to consider your specific financial situation and goals, as well as the potential benefits of an employer's 401k match when deciding which retirement account best suits your needs. 100K investment. Investing $100,000 in a Roth IRA can provide significant long-term growth and tax benefits. Given the after-tax nature of Roth IRA contributions, your entire $100,000 investment can grow tax-free, and you won't pay any taxes on qualified withdrawals during retirement. Assuming a hypothetical average annual return of 7%, your $100,000 Roth IRA investment could grow to approximately $195,000 after 10 years, $387,000 after 20 years, and over $759,000 after 30 years. This growth is entirely tax-free, meaning you won't owe any taxes on the investment gains. As for tax benefits, Roth IRAs provide tax diversification, which can help you manage your tax liability in retirement. If you anticipate being in a higher tax bracket during retirement or expect tax rates to increase in the future, a Roth IRA can help mitigate the impact of higher taxes on your retirement income. Additionally, Roth IRAs do not require required minimum distributions, RMDs, giving you more control over your retirement income and allowing you to pass tax-free money to your heirs. On the other hand, investing $100,000 in a 401k plan can provide substantial benefits, especially if your employer offers a matching contribution. In this scenario, let's assume your employer offers a common matching formula. 100% of the first 3% of your salary contributed and 50% of the next 2%. If your annual salary is $100,000 and you contribute $10,000, 10%, to your 401k, your employer would contribute an additional $4,000, 4%, resulting in a total contribution of $14,000 for the year. Over time, this employer match can significantly boost your retirement savings. Regarding tax benefits, traditional 401k contributions lower your taxable income in the year they are made. For example, if your annual salary is $100,000 and you contribute $10,000 to your 401k, your taxable income would be reduced to $90,000, reducing your current tax bill. However, withdrawals from a traditional 401k in retirement are taxed as ordinary income. Using the same hypothetical average annual return of 7%, your $100,000 401k investment could grow to approximately $195,000 after 10 years, $387,000 after 20 years, and over $759,000 after 30 years. This growth is tax deferred. If you're currently in a higher tax bracket and expect to be in a lower bracket during retirement, a traditional 401k may be more advantageous, as you'll benefit from tax deductions now and potentially pay lower taxes in the future. However, if you're in a lower bracket now and anticipate being in a higher bracket during retirement, a Roth IRA could be the better choice, as you'll pay taxes at a lower rate now and enjoy tax-free withdrawals later. We hope this comparison of Roth IRAs and 401k plans has provided valuable insights to help you make informed decisions about your retirement savings. Now we'd love to hear from you. If you have any experiences, success stories, or challenges related to Roth IRAs and 401k plans, please share them in the comments section below. Your input could help others navigate their own retirement planning journey. Also, if you have any questions or need further clarification on any of the points discussed, feel free to ask in the comments. We're here to support you and foster a community of financial savvy individuals. Lastly, if you found this video helpful and want to continue receiving valuable financial tips and advice, be sure to subscribe to our channel. By joining our community, you'll stay up to date on the latest personal finance strategies and insights to help you achieve your long-term financial goals. Thank you for watching.